Hi guys, I'm going to present this app to you. It's called Spot, and this app is going to reveal the hidden beauty around you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jerry Liao. I finished my bachelor's degree at Indiana University at 2010. I'm a UX and UI designer located at San Francisco City. Currently, I am studying at Academy of Art University for my master degree at Web Design and New Media department. Now, here's my portfolio. This snowbird app uh, I use to design to help skiers and snowboarders to get a better user experience by find the best weather and the snow conditions to go ski and snowboard at the Lake Tahoe. Now let's go back to the Spot app. This app is going to show secret view spots of a city. The secret spots including seasonal and periodic view spots that is strange to tourists. For example, this app can show all graffiti walls in San Francisco or a wood chair that has the best view of China Beach. The main issue I trying to solve, this app may contain a few spots that is very famous already to natives and tourists. Not everywhere could call secret view spots. It is really hard to determine that should the spots be listed on the app or not. The solution would be the design has to focus on the secret spots this feature, and that means the famous spots may list on the app with the less priorities. This idea I got inspired by the Yelp app. It show all the restaurants and other stuff, and also by some of my favorite Instagram bloggers. They always post really good pictures, and I want to know where they take a picture. So that's why I trying to design this app. And this app is unique, and this because this app allow user find secret view spots in the city, and that is hard to find, and only less people know about it. This app lists some view spots in a city that is not famous as a landmark build. It is also worth to find and take a look at it. The social part would be only focused on the comment like Yelp. The core feature of this app is finding spot and write reviews and rate it. And this app is going to help tourists to get to know the city in depth, like view spots based app, accurately provide decent view spot information, and especially for some people who would like to take some pictures that is different from other tourists. This app is unique. It's for people who love traveling and try to explore more secret sites in the city or other traveling places, and it provide user to show the comments and photos, and it also allow user to rate it, and it also allow users to post a new spot. And here is my target audience research. I did this research with 34 participants, and most of them are female, and they are really interested in this app because like female are really like to like take photos based on my research, and they trying to find like where's the best spot to take pictures, and also it should be different from the other posts because the picture is unique. They're just like bored of taking same pictures at the same spot. Like everybody would take this picture at the same place with the same position. And then here are the comments of it. Basically, males don't care about this app, and they don't care about where's the best place to take a picture, and how different this spot it is. And here's my consultant and expert resources. And Yu Jiang, she is really helpful. She gave me a lot helpful feedback on my designs. And Tong Liu is one of my best friend, and he's also an engineering at Cummins Inc. He's a mechanic person, and his job is task control. So he gave me a lot of feedback on my task flows. Here's my competitor research. You see the spotted by locals this app. It's kind of like showing sightings, eating, and drinking stuff. But the design is kind of really old school, like back to the 2014. And the other one is called the Lonely Planet Guides. It's basically another Yelp. Here's my persona. The first is Michael Stewart, 31, sales, married, Bloomington, Indiana. And here's his story and pinpoint and his use case and tasks. He trying to find a site not big but beautiful and the best place to shoot a skyline of city. The second persona is Eric Ling, student, single, Irvine, California. And you can see his use case and pinpoint. The third persona is Casey Hayward, 24, working single, San Francisco city based, and also her pinpoint and the use case and tasks. Here is my task flow. You can see the first task is find a spot's direction, and the second task is rate a spot, and the third task is add a new spot. These three tasks is going to show my core feature of this app. And here's my storyboard. Like a lot of people are taking the photos at some spot, and it's the same spot, same position, the same photo, same angle. So Eric is get bored about it, so he downloads my app, Spot, to trying to find a unique spot to take a picture that is different from others. Here's my cursor for the task one, logging, view, map, or list. Choose a spot, start navigation, choose drive mode, that's a transportation from users, and then go. And second is you can log in map view, list view, and you rate it, and write a comment, and you upload picture, and then submit it. Third one, add a new spot, set up a new location, by drop the pin, then input location name, upload the photo and submit it, and wait for the approval. As I said, like not all the spot could be the spot, because some, like if you like shoot a photo on the road and it's just road and it's boring, so it's not called a secret spot, because it has to be beautiful. Here's my mood board. You see, I really like blue, all kind of blue stuff, and white. And here is my scope. Ideally, I can make a real database-driven app that allows a phone to build a home app to use like a real app. But realistically, I can introduce my project to you by showing my work process and a high-fidelity prototype to state my concept. Now let's go to my proof of concept. Jerry is my first user. scenario, and let's go to task 1. Find ocean cliff direction. First, you see this prototype. You can see, tap the list view at the right corner of the header. You tap it, and then you can see a list view of spots. And you find ocean cliff. You click the direction button. Now you have it on the Google map. Then you start navigation. It offers 4 options to you, like drive, bus, bike, walk. The drive is always automatically mode, and then you go, tap on go. Now the route is settled down. You can follow the direction to go to the spot. The task 2, rate the ocean cliff, and Songyang is a second user scenario. You tap on the ocean cliff. Now you can see tons of informations, including the address, the number, and the photo library that people used to take and upload it on this spot. And you can see it's over 200 photos, and you can click the photo to upload it. And if you want to rate it, you can tap on the right comment at the right corner, and then you rate it with the stars. You write a comment about it, and then you can upload photo by tapping the camera button. Okay, you add it, and then you submit it. You get a result. Thanks for the rate. Okay, here is task 3. Add a new photo. DNA is another user scenario, and got add a spot. But first, at the location, you have to tap it, and then you drop the pin like the Uber to drop where the spot is, and then you type the location name, and you add photo on that, and then submit. Okay, the new spot is under review, so you gotta wait for it approved. Here's my testing result. I did this paper prototype test and with several participants, and I got some really useful feedback, and I fixed some errors. Here's my logo design process. You see the spot and the spot caps, lowercase, and I added glass, that little illustration stuff. And here's my color choice, the blue I mentioned, and the white that I use, and the red one is used for the location. Here's the typography that I use in my app and also in this presentation. Here's the usage. You can see something that is allowed to use with a color combination. Some other are not allowed. And here is my reference page. I got really good resources from these links, and also my expert consultant. Now here is the technical resources that I'm going to use. The core thing is a JavaScript and the PHP and the jQuery mobile, and the PHP is going to connect my front end to the back end and the database, and the jQuery mobile is going to give me a framework of the mobile based design. And the HTML and CSS that I am using right now in my 617 class, it's an animal track app, so I'm still using it. And the Google Maps API, it's very important because I got map stuff, so it's really important to link it and do the navigation stuff. And GoDaddy is really important as a server. Then I do it in the real server and people can see it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.